Hi friends. So next I would like to discuss some of the major act or some of the major years that could be commonly asked for your examination. So this portion it comes under people development and environment, and I hope these years or these terms could be useful for you. Okay, so these are some of the protocols or summit which is very important, and anything regarding this can be asked. Sometimes the purpose of this protocol can be asked, sometimes the year can be asked, sometimes the order of the formation can be asked, sometimes the name can be asked. So anything can be asked regarding these protocols. So the main protocols are Montreal Protocol, which is established in 1987. Actually, this is a protocol which was established regarding ozone depletion. It is very important. That's why I am discussing. Anyway, sometimes it may not appear in the coming examination, but definitely in some of your examinations, these questions could be asked. I felt it is important. That's why I had actually created a table on this one. Then the next one is Rio Summit. It was introduced in 1992. Actually, this was regarding the human environment. So this is regarding human environment. Then comes the Kyoto Protocol. Actually, this was introduced in 1997, and the theme was clean development mechanism, that is greenhouse gases. That was the theme for this protocol. Then Paris Agreement, it was related to the climate change issue, and it was released in 2015. Then another thing, so this one, the last one, actually it is not a protocol, it is actually the International Solar Alliance, but this is a common question that could be asked because this one is related to India. That is, it is established in 2012 and the headquarters is in Haryana. That's why I had talked about this also. So these are some of the main protocols which you need to remember. You need to remember the year, you need to remember for what it has been established. Also, you need to remember about the name of the protocol. So sometimes the question could be like, which is the protocol that is related with the climate change, which is introduced in 2015. So if there is none other protocol for that year, definitely such a question can be asked. So there is no doubt that is Paris Agreement is the agreement that has been created in 2015 for the climate change issue. So you need to remember these submits or protocol in that way. Okay, then this is also very important question, that what are the main ozone depletion substance. So I think last time uh, four substance were given, and the question was like, which substance is not a ozone depletion substance. So that was the question. So sometimes the question will be regarding which among the following is a ozone depletion substance, or the question could be which among the following is not a ozone depletion substance, because ozone depletion is definitely a major problem. A question related to that is very common in most of the examination. So it is not that easy to remember all these substance, but you need to um, somehow create your own kind of tricks to remember these substances. Okay, so we are having chlorofluorocarbons, halon, carbon, tetrachloride, methyl chloroform, hydrobromofluorocarbon, hydrochlorofluorocarbon, methyl bromide, then bromochloromethane. So these are some of the main substance that contributing to the depletion of ozone. So most of this is having a chloro in it, but still there are many other substances name which also contain chloro. So we cannot remember it in that way, but you definitely find some way to remember these terms because these are very important. Similarly, another thing is regarding the natural greenhouse gases. This is also very commonly asked question, which among the following is a green gas source, which among the following is not belonging to the green gas. So these are the main natural greenhouse. Okay, so they will be asking about the unnatural source and also the natural sources, that is CO2, H2O, methane and chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, so here actually this fluoro we actually here also this fluorocarbons, that term is again coming in the other one also, so that could be commonly remembered. Then another very important thing is the sustainable goals. Okay, any kind of questions regarding sustainable goals could be asked because it is very important. So we are mainly having 17 sustainable goals. So as you can see, so the order is also very important. It's not really about remembering which are the sustainable goals, but you should remember which one comes after or which one come before, because sometimes uh, five gases, I mean not gases, sorry, sustainable goals will be given and you will be asked to arrange them in ascending or descending order. So in that case you need to somehow remember which one come first, which one come later. So some kind of such remembering have to be done. Okay, so here one important thing is that the general kind of goals that comes last, like partnership is the last one, and the peace, justice, strong institution, that is coming 16th one. So these are some general, very global kind of things which they are talking about, that is coming under the 16th and 17th. Then about the protection of life in water and life on land, that is 14 and 15. Then we are talking about the climate change, that comes in 13th number. Then in the starting part, okay, in the starting part it talks about hunger, poverty, having a better health, talking about the well-being, about gender equality. It's talking about the quality education, water, sanitation. So such kind of basic necessities, okay, that could be remembered in such a way. All the basic necessities which is regarding a individual, that is individual should not be in poverty, and individual should not have hunger. They should get good health, they should be having a well-being condition, they should get a education. So all these are related to a individual. So such things actually it is coming in the first part of sustainable goal. Okay, so in the middle part, actually, we are talking about the developments like innovation, infrastructure, about the sustainable cities, communities. All this comes under, that is coming in the middle part. Then after that, we are again talking about the global kind of things like the climate change. We are talking about the life in water, life in land. We are talking about the global peace, justice. We are talking about the partnership. All those kind of global kind of things are coming at the end. So I think in such a way you can remember these sustainable goals. Again, these are some of the major act and the year of its formation, which is very important. Okay, so we are having the Wildlife Protection Act in 1972. Then the water, that is the prevention and control of pollution in water. That act is being established in 1974. Then air related, that is in order to control the air pollution, in 1981 we are having the Air Pollution Act. Then the Environmental Protection Act was established in 1986. Then we are having Stockholm Convention, that is protection from persistent organic pollutants. Okay, such an act it was also introduced. So such act and the years are very important, and this could also be asked for your examination. Okay, so this is all about some of the important protocols, some of the important act, some of the important ozone depletion substance, natural gas substance, sustainable goals, and act that protects wildlife, that protects against pollution, that protects environment. So all these are some of the very important things which I felt could be useful and that could be commonly asked for your examination.